you could have backed up a lot more.
I know, will
I'm a BMW.
you want me to back you?
Alright, look at my parking today. Shit was legit. Look at that, I'm fucking straight. Yeah. Alright guys, we have arrived. Ooh. Oh, bang, 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 bang. That shit was crazy. Oh, that's what today is?
It's a Honda.
Oh, it is Honda, but it's a Honda day.
Fucking a bunch of fucking $5 cars.
Oh.
Gotta get 3 Civics to start fucking pulling the trailers.
I want the kind from Fast and Furious. That's what I saw. I like this. I saw that from across the parking lot. I was like, right?
I like that. Yeah, me too.
Look at the carbon fiber roof. Shit look brand new. New Hampshire. Perp M2. Hey, got that lean on deck. I like this one. It's nice. These are nice. This is the best new M to me.
This one? Like this model?
This design. Like it's one of the best new designs that I like off rip with nothing done to it. Because this is basically stock, right? Besides the exhaust. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, this is clean. Saw it from across the parking lot. Yeah, this is.
Don't stay clean. I cleaned them and then I drove here and now they look like.
Bro, I bet, dog. Fuck. Look at that shit. Hell no. I'd pay someone with those. I barely like cleaning mine. I got silver ones too. Hell no. This is clean. I like this purple. Look at the sparkle.
Yeah, this thing is clean, bro.
Oh yeah. I like this.
What year is this? 24?
25.
25.
Ooh, that's, yeah. I was like, damn, this looks like 2025 carbon right here.
First year for purple and last year for manual.
Nice, dude.
I knew that purple wasn't. Like,
Something
wasn't
special
part
about
of the
it.
lineup, yeah.
And it comes with the blacked out
Here's
like
the ultra
interior
violet.
and shit like that. For special.
You have to spec it. It's a $300 option.
That's
but
nice.
it's,
Worth it.
I call it, yeah.
Look at that. This is tight. Look at this.
And it also makes all the LEDs in the head, or it makes everything in the headlight LED. If you don't get that $300 package, I had a customer come in and it's 33 grand.
What?
Because you have to rewire
The whole thing, the brains. Oh my god. $300 versus 33,000.
Yeah, he didn't know that, so he spec'd out exactly as he wanted. Zandvoort blue.
I'll save the 300.
Yep, that's
Fuck,
exactly how he went, and I was like,
that's wild. You should have double checked.
Service, not sales,
oh, okay.
So I couldn't tell him that.
Oh.
But yeah, no, he comes.
He needed to do
and,
some research.
And his came in the same truck mine did, and he was so excited for it.
And then he saw
like,
those headlights.
Well, then he went, okay, so now I'm gonna go over to parts and I'm gonna see how much it is for the headlights. I'm gonna go over to service. I'm gonna see how much it is to replace them. And we went, yeah, no, you need more than just headlights. Like you need headlights, harnesses, the whole thing.
L, huge L.
Yeah.
Because now he can't even freaking retro add it. Like, too bad, buddy.
Yeah. There is a company that makes like an adapter with some additional shit, so you can.
It's probably more than 300 bucks.
It is.
Yeah, probably like 800. Yeah, I like this. I like it because they put the hips on it. They put the hips.
Well, it's
Yeah.
the same.
Someone bought it in Georgia, bro.
Ah.
Like Georgia, the country.
Oh, really? They probably got a good deal too, because they be hunting for them things, because it's expensive over there.
It's the same with as the M3 and the M4, so because it's all the exact same stuff. Someone actually took an M3 front diff transmission, like all that, put it in one of these and made an extra M2.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder why they didn't make them.
It's 27. They're releasing it 27.
Oh, okay.
You left the stickers and everything.
Oh shit! Repping in Georgia, repping in East Europe.
This shit's nuts, bro.
Race version of this M2.
Damn, look at the plate. You talked to him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was like, there's no fucking
Yesterday.
shot. And then I look it up and it's like,
Nah, yeah, it's not. At least it's in another country, at least, so you don't have to see that motherfucker. This, I like this eye though. It looks like $33,000. Dude, look at all the angles they hit you with, because then you got the design notes in here, and then you come over here, it's like boom, they hit you again, and then bam, hit you with some more cool shit. And then they got all the shit up top. Man, that's bad. It looks like some Halo shit or something. Damn, these are coming down too. the
Until the
60s,
all-wheel drive comes
50s.
out, then they can keep coming down.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, the cheat code is, so the thing that they fucked up, which is the same thing that they did with the E92, that they came out with the M54 Turbo, and then it was faster than the V8. Now they came out with the M2, but like they have the M240, which is all-wheel drive.
Yeah, and it's just as fast.
So it's like, yo, you gotta put all-wheel
It's like you
drive.
made the little brother a little stronger than the big
You gotta
brother.
make this shit all-wheel drive.
Yeah, at least a version so someone can have the option. Because that's gonna be crazy all-wheel drive.
Yeah, the dudes from the UK that were there at Impact, the one that have the M2 real right-hand drive.
Miltech.
No. R44 Performance.
Oh, I seen that booth. I seen that booth.
They put they have an all-wheel drive system. They retrofitted from the G80.
What? So they did the BMW's engineering for them.
Yeah. When they went to Texas 2K, bro, that shit was ripping every single
It
pass.
was nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
Beautiful
Come
car.
on, nice to meet you.
Alex. I'm Alex. I've never even been in an all-wheel drive one. I've never been in one.
It's 99,000 starting, and it's not all-wheel drive. It's front-wheel drive.
And no like manual. What's up?
What's up?
And no like mode where you can switch it.
No.
Because the G80 you could do that. You can go.
That's what I'm saying. That once they do it to me,
Like, why did they take that shit out? They're trying to make it lighter,
no, I just think they want
cheaper.
you know, like the M2 to not be like because the M2 Comp was the ultimate M
Yeah.
at that point when they did the bigger caliper,
Mhm.
1-to-1 power to weight ratio. So they cheated the code like that, but then I don't think they want to do that to this generation. I think when they want to keep the G80 as a flagship car.
And they don't want to overshadow it with
Yeah.
the M2.
Yeah.
They should make them the best cars they can be and fight it out. See which ones are the best. Who cares? People are still gonna buy it. People are gonna still buy what they want.
Yeah.
And I hope so at the end of the day. Right. It's like I got the 4-door just because I like 4 doors. Like it had nothing to do with actually using them for 4 doors. Like I knew I was taking all that shit out right as I got it. So I was like, that part don't matter. Right. I just saw the M4 and I was like, it's alright. But then you look at the F80 next to it and you're like, it's like, eh. M4 is cool for a second, third car to fucking turn into something. To just beat the fuck out of it. Yeah, like that's like the baby. That's like the baby. What's up? What's going on, man? What's up, dude? My dad wants one of these. I might get one of these for a drag car. This is cool, drift car though.
This is definitely
Look at that shit. That's why we need to get fire extinguishers.
You do, for sure.
What? Why?
Because we got turbos. That shit's dangerous, bro.
But we need them though. It could save our cars one day. Something could happen and light on fire.
And you got all the wires exposed.
Just track and show cars, or you guys like daily? Well, not probably not daily.
I drive it like this daily. Yeah, I track it all the time, back roads, and then I drive it around normally too. I do everything in it. That's why I got a little bit of seats and a little bit of comfort in there, but just a little.
Enough.
Yeah, just enough, and then the rest is all ripped out. Clean all these little fins and shit. Stupid. Stupid, why I do it? Why I put this shit on here, man? Dumbass shit. This probably only like 500, 520. Not like horsepower wise, I drive the 500 horsepower, yeah. I go to the track pro and stuff. I don't drag race it. Nah, road course, more like F1 type driving. Oh, yeah, and back roads and mountains and stuff.
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Take a picture of this.
Bro, that sounded like a J brake for a second. I thought that was an 18-wheeler. I thought he was. Oh, thanks, bro. Thank you.
I like the wing.
Oh, thank you, brother.
It makes me want to get mine again put back on. I used to have, I have a 22 Corolla, and I used to have a hatch-mounted wing to it.
Why'd you take it off?
Oh, the upper supports broke, sadly.
Oh, okay. Oh hell yeah, that's dope. Definitely put that back on. Why not?
I'm gonna turn it into a
If it
sheet.
feels like you, man, do that shit. Do what makes you feel like that's what I want to see. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
I don't give a shit what other people want on my car. You know what I'm saying? Who cares, bro? As long as it makes you happy. So I definitely would slap it on.
I like this thing. I've seen you at meets in the past.
Oh, thank you, bro.
I keep looking at it whenever I do, and I'm like, there's something new, there's something new, there's something new, and I'm like, I keep seeing something new.
Yeah, I do a couple little things every, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Every couple of month or so, I try to throw a little something new on here. Cause I got 2 other ones now, so I gotta spread it out a little more.
What is this? Is an M3,
3, yeah,
right? Yes.
F80, yes, 2018.
It's good every single time I see it.
I try, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you. Have a good day.
You as well.
My lighters.
Oh shit.
The keychain, bro. There it is. This is my shit, motherfucker. Fucking tell me my shit's not. What?
Yeah, I need a lighter. Yeah, keep that 5 feet within me, bro.
Use it.
You're walking around with that shit.
Oh, you want a lighter? Better use it quick. You're not walking away with this shit, and it's yellow and green. I'm like, I can see this shit. I be high, bro. I be losing shit. I need another one before I go. Yeah. What's up, buddy?
East Coast Underground, it was like this little pizza shop. These 2 cars there fucking crazy. It's like, oh my god.
What year? It was 3 months ago?
Yeah, a few months ago.
Pizza shop?
It was like a little pizza shop that got shut down by the cops because of lights.
Oh. Oh, New England Underground.
Bingo!
That one, yeah, bro. Yeah, we were only there for like 2 seconds.
And it all just went down.
Yeah, we got
I
stuck.
literally just got there. I was like, man, I'm gonna get some food. And it all shut down. I'm like, man, fuck.
Yeah, it was hella people though in that little parking lot.
Yeah, there was way too many.
Yeah, way too many.